Hello, my friend. Today we are going to practice the letter S. We're going to learn what it looks like, and we're going to learn it's a sound that it can represent. So here's an uppercase S. It's big, it's tall. To write an uppercase S, okay, so let's get our finger ready. We're going to start at the top. We're going to do a curve, and then we're going to curve the other way. Curve. Now we've made an S. Let's try it again. Curve, curve. There's an uppercase S. A lowercase s is very similar, but a lowercase s is just shorter. So we do curve, curve. We've made a lowercase s. This is someone making an S with their body. Can you do this too? If you want to give it a try, stand up. You're going to have to curve your arms. It looks like bend your knees a little bit to make the two curves to make an S. So here's how we make the sound. S represents the sound S. It kind of sounds, we hear it when we say S. I kind of hear it at the end. Do you hear it? S. So we're pretending we're a snake. Let's see what this person's mouth does, and we'll try to make our mouths look the same. So we have to separate our lips a little bit and put our teeth together, and now we just blow out some air. I can feel my tongue right behind my teeth. Can you feel that too? Try making the S sound. Okay, so now we can look at some words that start with S that make the S sound. What is this? The sun. Try saying it with me. Sun. S makes S, like the word sun. We can cut with scissors. Scissors. Here's our animal, a snake. Snake. Say it with me. Snake. Keep practicing those sounds. Ooh, these people are wearing very cool. What are those? They start with the S, with the letter S and the sound socks. When I go to the beach, I see a lot of sand. So here is our card. Remember, we say the letter, the word, and then the sound. So it sounds like this. S, snake, S. You try. Let's do it together. S, snake, S. And here's S in sign language. So we're going to hold up our fist again, and this time our thumb just goes in the front. So it's kind of exactly like a fist bump. We just hold it this way. S. Try it with me. S. So today we learned to identify the letter S. We know what it looks like, those two curves, and we know it makes the S sound. Keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.